Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you exactly how to get Ungated to sell massive name brand product on Walmart like Pokémon, Disney, Lego and Nike. There are so many incredibly profitable brands to resell on Walmart marketplace, but some of the highest velocity ones are restricted by the platform. The only way you can unlock those listings and claim your share of that revenue is by getting what's called Ungated. Now, Walmart does not publish an official public master list of gated brands. I am from Digital Solution Zone. Let's break down the step-by-step process to get your account fully approved. Don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to stay ahead of the e-commerce algorithm. So let's jump in. First, understanding Walmart gating. To figure out if an item is restricted, you first need to try adding it to your catalog. Once you input the product identifier, it will either process smoothly as published or pop up with a red error status. The exact error code you see determine whether the brand is as absolute Hardgated or an algorithm Softgated. Here are the 3 common listing errors in Walmart. Number 1. Hardgated brands. This means you cannot sell that brands on Walmart under any circumstance. These are the brands either entirely owned by Walmart, covered by an exclusive brand partnership, or strictly locked down to prevent third-party reselling. Number 2. Compliance errors. This relate to item safety, hazards, or category-specific resolution. Resolving this requires dedicated support case, and the approval rate sits at roughly 50 by 50 short depending on your certification. Number 3. IP errors. This is the error we are focusing on today. Walmart throws an IP gate because they want absolute verification that you are sourcing and reselling authentic products, not counterfeits. This is entirely winnable if you have the right documentation. So let's discuss some steps to fix the intellectual property errors. First, go into your dashboard and click Add Items. Once you are on catalog page, attempt to upload your product details. If the item is restricted by the intellectual property gate, you will see a red error tag label IPEB, which stands for Intellectual Property Enhanced Betting. The exact tag indicates that the brand is Softgated. Once that red indicator appears, it's time to open a formal case with Walmart Trust and Safety to request ungating. But before you click Submit, you must have 2 critical requirements ready. Requirements 1. Units. Only one single item needed. No high bulk volume bias. Requirement 2. Sourcing. An invoice or valid receipt direct from an authorized source. For your proof of purchase, you can use wholesale invoice or clean retail receipt from authorized distributors such as Target, Amazon or Lego.com. However, the single highest approval rate comes from using a direct retail receipt from Walmart itself. If you want to pass betting fast, simply head to your local Walmart store, buy one single unit of the brands off the shelf, and keep the physical receipt clean and intact. With your receipt in hand, click the question mark icon in your seller dashboard and select the contact support. When the support wizard opens, you have to describe your issue and in at least 5 words. I recommend keeping it simple and direct. Issue when listing a product and I am seeing an IP error. Click Next. On the next screen, you will be present with the case categories. Select Other Unpublished Error Codes. Press Confirm and click Get in touch with us. You can choose to live chat or email. While phone and chat can occasionally speed things up, email gives you a paper trial, which I prefer. Set your subject line as Other Unpublished Error Codes IPEB, and state your goal clearly. I am seeking approval to list product under the Pokémon brand. Now, to prevent weeks of back and forth messages, you should promptly answer the exact questionnaire Walmart Trust and Safety team always replies with. Copy and paste these 5 questions directly into your initial submission box. So the first question will be, are the item on hand? Right, yes. The next question, where are your suppliers located? State the location of store or distributor. If you bought it at Walmart, list the state of that retail store. The next question, how long have you been working with these suppliers? State your history cleanly. The next question, are you able to provide your own image and content, not stock photos? Right, yes. The next question, are you an authorized reseller? Right, no. It is completely fine to say no here. Walmart does not require you to be a direct brand partner. But the next question is the deal breaker. It is, are you supplier authorized distributor for each brand they sell? Right, yes. Walmart itself or Target are globally recognized authorized distributor of these brands. Now submit and track for the approval. To finalize the submission, select single item. Choose your fulfillment method, whether it's seller fulfilled or Walmart fulfillment service, and input the item ID pulled from the product listing. Currently, the vetting process can take anywhere from a single week to full month. If your application gets denied, don't get discouraged. Ensure no text is cut off and receipt. Choose different retail source in needed and open a new case. Getting ungated is process of precise documentation and persistence. That is your complete updated strategy to bypass enhanced vetting and unlock restricted brand on Walmart Marketplace. At Digital Solution Zone, we help brands streamline their marketplace account, scale catalog health, build high converting storefront, and navigate complex platform restriction. For professional e-commerce account management and growth scaling, contact our specialist directly at info@digitalsolutionzones.com. Subscribe for more advanced e-commerce breakdowns, algorithm insight, and scaling strategies. Thanks for watching. Stay strategic, and I will see you in the next video. Goodbye.